In this video, we're taking a look at KV Core's business analytics component and how it empowers users with super visibility to drive higher business profit. It's been said that business decisions are really only as good as the data behind them, and it couldn't be more true in the real estate world. KV Core is the only real estate platform designed with a powerful business analytics layer built right into the platform that brings in all of the information from around your entire business automatically with no manual entry and in real time. This allows you to make the right decision every time to drive higher profit and growth in your business. Sounds like a dream come true. So let's dive in. When you come into the KV Core platform, you can actually see a good chunk of business analytics right out the gate. You can see it right there on your dashboard with what we call the Business Velocity widget. But where I really want to go is down to my Business Analytics tab. Notice as it loads that I see the same Business Velocity widget, but now it's joined by a bunch of other tabs and tools to be able to get a really good sense for my business. I can filter this Business Velocity and Business Analytics dashboard also. I can filter it down by contact type and interests, so I can really narrow this down and say, hey, I want to see certain agents or teams or categories or types of leads and contacts. First, check out the Business Velocity pipeline. This is probably a bit different from any reporting tool that you've used lately. Most analytics dashboards simply give a snapshot of how many leads or contacts I have today. The KV Core Business Analytics dashboard actually gives you a much more intelligent view. It's an indication of the flow through my business. In other words, it'll show me how many website visitors or active people in my sphere, but then it'll show me how the whole business is flowing all the way through closed deals. This is really the smartest way to think about your business, in terms of the whole pipeline from lead to close. First, all the information here is automated. So the data here from my new leads to active leads and even the transaction data is all automatically synced in. Our transaction integrations are covered in another walkthrough in depth, but everything syncs seamlessly and automatically, so this is a real source of truth for your business. Second, this includes your leads and contacts from all sources. Leads will typically capture between 5 and 10 times before they transact with you. Normally, the agent only is interested in the very last place they captured from. So usually, this means that all your transactions look like they all came from a sign call or the personal sphere. We bring in all leads from all sources, and we track the lead across all capture sources. We even track all the sphere of influence contacts and prospect lists. This is really your whole business at a glance. This is important not only in order to have an accurate picture of my business velocity, but as I come down to my detailed reporting, things like the ability to see all of my leads, new lead through closed deals, to be able to confidently say, okay, this is a source of truth. I don't have to worry that this lead came in 3 times, and the last time was from a sign when originally they came from Facebook or Google or something like that. That's all taken care of behind the scenes for you. And in fact, if I'm spending money, a lot of people spend thousands of dollars a month on Google or Facebook or Zillow or something. I can actually go in, click in, and drill down and see all of my campaigns at the campaign level and how many deals closed. The 80-20 rule applies to lead generation and marketing. 80% of budgets and/or strategies are often wasted initially, so it's all about understanding and being able to double down on the 20% that's working. This is far more effective than going and spending more and more and more dollars on my marketing, but rather being able to really double down on the stuff that works. The next tab, behavior, search behavior, and what locations are people looking in? Where should I target next? Transactions. Being able to really understand things like my aging report on transactions and what's driving closed deals there. And then getting down to things like team performance, where I can come in and say, hey, I really want to come in and understand not only what does the pipeline look like for all of my people, but let me come in and understand things like time to first action. How long does it take for an agent to go in and touch and take personal action on leads and contacts that we're distributing out? And being able to see all that by offices or groups. This is the type of data that really helps me come in at a glance and make very intelligent business decisions, like where do I spend my next marketing dollar to get the maximum return? Or how do I come in and route leads or reroute leads to make sure that my agents and my team are closing those at the highest possible rate? And what areas should I focus my marketing and farming efforts at in order to get the highest possible results? Team performance and other aspects of this reporting give me great indications regarding the skill areas or process phases I need to train my team on so that everybody gets the highest results possible. All of this information and more right at your fingertips, and again, automated as part of your KV Core platform. That's it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see ya on the inside.